Hello, friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to register. In the Blink Funding Prop Firm, you enter the Prop Firm section, click on Blink Funding, and then click on Go to Website to enter the website. For registration, click on the dashboard. And in this section, you click on Create an Account. And in the registration section, you enter your first and last name along with your email address and username. You register your date of birth along with your mobile phone number, country of residence, and password. And to confirm the password, you repeat your password. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Register. You enter the login section, input your email address along with your password, and click on Sign In. You enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.